What's up, everyone? Golden the Hedgehog here, and welcome back to Sleeping Dogs. Now, I mostly just went around, did a few things, but hopefully, me getting some sleep will probably open up some missions for me. Also, I ended up learning a new move where I can actually now tackle people and have them drop their weapons.
I hope that is okay. That's great. I love the food there. The food is awful. We only don't be...
Well, well, well. Look who decided to join us.
Yeah, it's good to see you.
Come on in.
You sure you don't want to fuck her a little before you start? It's no problem at all. I'll just have a swing by your hotel on the way to the studio.
Nah, man, I'm good. We could do a photo shoot or whatever, and look, I'm sure it'd be fun and all, but that's not why I'm here, dude.
Ah, you don't know what you're missing. This baby will fuck you in a way your wife never could.
Sonny, this is Wei. Wei, the infamous Sonny Woe.
That's me. Infamous and notorious. Glad you could come by. Ricky's told me all about you. This is King.
What's good?
He's producing Vivian Liu's next big hit.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot, man.
Wei here's the real deal. A bona fide tried killer from the streets. Cleavers, guns, castrations, whatever you want.
Okay.
Wei, why don't you take King out on the town and show him around?
Yeah, anytime.
It's like one big playground, man. Nothing's off limits. You want to pick up some girls, get nasty, done. And with Wei, no one will bother you. Nobody fucks with Sun On Yi.
Yeah, well, I mean, actually, that sounds all right. If you don't mind showing me around.
Yeah, sure.
I wish I could go with you players, but business calls.
All right, cool, man. Yo, it was real nice to meet you, Sonny. Let's hit the streets.
Let's do it.
Ricky, listen to this. I've been thinking. We need to get her a movie role of some sort.
Alright, I'm gonna give some.
I think we'll start at the K-Bar. The VIP room should give us what we need.
Hey, it's your town, man.
Guy a tour.
So you producing for Sonny?
Yeah, just this one time. Man, that guy's a piece of work.
He's a fucking clown, you ask me.
I'm glad you said it first.
Buddy does good business, makes everyone a lot of money. But as far as his personality
Yeah, my way.
Good to know we're on the same page. Fact is, I got some other business to discuss. But I don't think my partners back in the States will want to be in bed with that guy.
what kind of business?
I got friends, guys I grew up with. They got a real good import and retail thing going. Yeah, but they could use a good Hong Kong angle. Access to that good Asian product.
Oh, you son of a.
Took the producing gig was I heard Vivian and her label had connections.
Well, they are. To me.
Ah, well then. I guess this is gonna be like one of them old school business meetings. Where you show me around town and try to figure out if we're a good fit.
Here we are, man. K-Bar.
Good evening, gentlemen.
We'd like the VIP karaoke room.
It's right this way.
Yo, hold up. Now don't tell me you and me are gonna sing to each other. I mean, I'm here for the local flavor, but not that local.
Let me find us the right kind of audience.
She looks nice.
Hey there. What's your name?
Katushka!
I'm Wei. So listen, I saw you looking at my friend, and I figured you realize he's a famous American celebrity. And I just wanted to ask if you mind keeping it a secret.
Ooh, how can I say no?
Well, if you're not doing anything, maybe I can buy you silence with a drink. Want to join us?
That's very nice of you.
So you're from Russia?
Yes. How'd you guess?
I'd call it a hunch.
Oh, you.
Here, have a seat. I'm gonna find a few more people to join us. Hello, ladies.
Hey, Mr. VIP. Want to buy us girls a drink?
I don't know. My friend and I gonna enjoy your company?
Try us on and see what you get.
All right. Why don't you join my friend and me? I'll be in a second.
At least I didn't have to walk her to the room.
How about you and I?
You okay, miss?
Hey, poor guy, that's my girl, so why don't you fuck off?
I'm Sun On Yee, motherfucker. Now get out of here before I break every bone in your body.
Man, no, sorry, I didn't know who you were.
Guy seemed like he was getting a little pushy.
We get that a lot.
You work here?
Yes.
So, you allowed to join the customers for a drink?
Oh, that sounds nice.
By the way, I'm Wei.
I don't think I've seen you here before. I'm Ilyana.
Yeah. I usually don't come to places like this. I'm here for my friend.
Well, if you ever want to hang out in
Oh.
places not like this,
Statue.
let me know.
I'd like that. Can I call you?
Sounds good.
Back off from it. I want it. Are you serious? I hope nothing happens so I can at least get that statue. I can't even tell if this music would be copyrighted.
Thanks. Give me a call sometime.
Hold on. Yes, I got it. You always gotta look out for those statues so you can get more, like, fighting experience and stuff.
Damn, Wei. Who knew Hong Kong was full of such beautiful women?
Friendly too.
How do you not know Hong Kong had beautiful girls? You just had to come to the right place.
Well, I expect you girls to make sure King never makes that mistake again.
You can count on us, baby. We love American men, don't we, Tina?
All right, Wei. Why don't you show us what you got?
Come on, Wei. Let's see those lungs.
I'll show you mine if you show me yours.
Hit me with your best shot.
Oh, yeah. Bring it, baby.
Keep it going.
It's like Guitar Hero. Except you only got a joystick.
That was so good.
Impressive! Oh, yeah! Hey, Wei! Hey, come get a picture of this, will you? Wei here has been promising me a taste of Hong Kong.
I'll give you a taste.
Yeah, nice! Oh, yeah! Bring it, baby! Come on, let's bounce. You know what? You give good tourists, Wei.
That's my town, least I could do.
Oh, wait. Don't think I'll forget that, man. Come on, my people will like you. You got the right fare. Too many motherfuckers think all you gotta do is jump bad and wear the right colors. Business isn't business. You feel me? You gotta be in it with the right people. Yeah, I can see you fitting right in the States even. Yeah. If you ever want to change the scene.
I'll keep that in mind.
There you are. I've been waiting for you, stable guy.
Stand back.
Stand back! You crazy? This is icing on the fucking cake. Bring it, asshole! That's some nasty ass shit you got going on. Remind me not to fuck with you. Alright, so listen, man. I'm going back in a week or so, alright? I'll tell my boys I got the man for them.
All right.
They'll want to start slow, but I'm guessing they can move as much product as you can ship. Oh, this could be huge, man. These boys got some big ideas, too. I'm talking all the legit shit their money goes into gotta go somewhere. You feel me? And the feds back home are really cracking down. Brothers might be looking for a little offshore stash. Yeah. And the man who set that up, who kept it safe, yeah, he'd have a whole river of green to deal with. You feel me?
Well, I could swing that for you. I still got contacts stateside who could set up the other side of things.
Hell yeah. Yo, you ever work at movies, Wei?
Nah, too much bullshit. I mean, look at Sonny Walk.
Nah, man. Come on, that's what's good about it. Everybody's a fucking moron. You come in with muscle and money, and you too can call the shots.
You got a point. All right, here you go.
Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. Really. It's real cool to meet you. We'll see you around.
Yeah, for sure. Hopefully first night of many.
Well, then. Looks like this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
All right, man. Take care.
You know, it would have actually been good if they actually made a game of that black American guy character. Like, the part where, like, he does his own thing in the United States while he came over and did this stuff with him. But I think this is the only time where he actually shows up in the game.
I don't mind you fucking her. It's one of the perks. But she has to understand the consequences if she disappoints me. Are we clear?
Of course, Sonny.
You're not getting attached, are you? A man of your caliber?
You don't need to worry about that.
I hope not. Wei, come in. Have a drink. You ever fucked some famous pussy, Wei?
Not yet. Maybe one day.
It's a trip, man, let me tell you. You drive by one of those billboards the size of a building, and you tell yourself, I'm going to her place, bend her over the table, and then you do it. There's no other feeling like it.
Yeah, okay. Speaking of stars, I need to go pick up Vivian.
Let Wei do it. You and I have more business to discuss. How about it, Wei? Think you can handle a smoking hot starlet for the day?
Sure. You know, as long as Ricky doesn't think I'm moving in on his territory. Nah, of course not. Here, take my car.
You take good care of my little starlet. Go ahead and fuck her if you want. Just don't damage the goods.
Wow. What a douchebag.
Who are you?
I'm Wei. Ricky sent me. Didn't he tell you?
No, I was expecting Ricky.
Everything okay?
Everything is not okay. Is it wrong of me to want to see my boyfriend? Why do I have to put up with this?
No, Vivi, it's not wrong. And you put up with it because Ricky loves you. But
But what?
since your boyfriend isn't driving, I get to sit in front. Why are the bad ones always so good looking? I'm Sandra. What's your name again?
It's Wei. Ricky talks about him a lot.
Oh, all nice things, I'm sure. And you're here to basically do whatever we want?
Something like that. What do you have in mind?
Do you have steady hands at high speeds?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I can provide references if you like.
Are you trying to talk him into one of those street races you always go on about?
I'd like to go see a good Hong Kong street
So what's
race.
the deal, Wei? You a gangster like Ricky?
Let's say I'm as much of a gangster as Ricky.
Oh, that's too bad. Recently I've wanted to date a gangster.
Well, maybe I'll see if I can find one for you.
That would be nice. What's Ricky doing anyways? Why is he too busy?
I don't know. Something with Sonny.
Sonny? That guy's a creep and a perv. Sorry, Vivi.
It's okay.
What? What'd he do?
Nothing. But he tried. That's him. Pull up. Hi, Alex. How are you?
Huh. This is your new boyfriend?
Not yet. Why? Are you jealous?
Of this guy?
Hey, so Sandra says you like to race. How about it? Now, if you win, I'll let you take the girls home.
Wei?
I'm not sure how much that's worth. Okay, we race for the girls and 100,000.
Sure, I'll take your money too.
You racing with the girls in your car? The extra weight will slow you down, idiot.
Think of it as your head start, Alex. Because you're gonna need it.
Think of it as your head start. 呢條粉腸你唔好帶我啊 I'll show him.
This is gonna be great. All right. Vivi and I won't talk.
Already in first.
You know how to drive.
Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast.
it.
Just cruising along. And finish line.
Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast.
Wait.
Steady hands. Gotta give you that.
Thanks.
Oh, get a room, you two.
Oh, shit! The police!
Oh, cops, perfect.
The police!
The police? Are they after us? Oh no.
Don't worry, it'll be fine. Wait.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Don't worry.
Oh, we lost him, thank God.
Nice work, Way.
You're driving us home, right?
Of course. Well, unless Sandra has some other exciting plan.
I'm all excited out. But you can take me for a drive anytime.
I might just take you up on that.
Oh, get a room, you two.
I think that's a...
Oh, that's it, just over there.
That was fun, Way. Thanks.
Anytime.
Vivi, give Way my number and tell him he can take me out on a second date.
Sandra says you can take her on a second date if you want.
Yeah, I got that. Thanks.
Thanks for taking us out today.
It was my pleasure.
Still surprising the trunk can even shut of how damaged it is. Huh. Nice view. So anyways, from napping in this nice looking house, I'm going to end it right there. So anyways, yeah, that was actually kind of fun in some sorts. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, leave a like as usual, and I'm hoping to see you guys again in the next video. See ya!